guys, what's up? You're growing with Sean.
What's up, guys? All right, so today we're gonna be doing things a little bit different. This past weekend was my anniversary, and my wife decided to surprise me with a rainwater collection barrel. Ooh. So I am super excited, and today you're gonna be along with the journey on building this. I hope that is not a whole lot of pieces, because I hate putting pieces together. I would say probably having kids and having to put together every single thing that we ever got, it just made me the whole thrill part of actually building stuff. Yeah, I don't have that anymore. Don't see any instructions. 16 rods, overflow pipe, filter, 2 rings, faucet. I don't see anything saying tools that we're gonna need, so I really like this so far. Yeah, so now we're gonna install the overflow pipes and the faucet in the spigot. All right, let's see here what we got going on here.
Alright guys, I don't know why I'm making this to be way more complicated than it needs to be, because it's really not. I'm just trying to get this thing installed because I just want to make sure that when the water does come in there, that it doesn't fall out. So mind my extraness. We actually really getting to the thick of things. We're just putting the pipes together, which was very easy. You do not need to be strong to put this together. It just pushed. That was a struggle now, not gonna lie. So all we have to do is just open these things up from the bottom, and then we just slide them all the way up to the top. I was a little bit worried about going too hard in there and then busting out the side, but don't worry, it'll stop you.
We got it back together. It's looking good. I cannot wait to use. Now, what I'm supposed to do is zip it all the way up here at the top, and I think that this is the 100-gallon one that she ended up buying me. That's what it feels like. That's what it looks like. All right, so this is the whole shebang, and I'm excited. So I'm supposed to put this right here under the drain, and what this is gonna allow is that anything that comes from the roof as it's coming down the drain, this is gonna stop it, like basically like a cleaner, filter. There we go, filter. I can't wait. So what I'm noticing is that it does have this little top place for the water to go, and I'm guessing that's just if the water is just so hot it needs to come out. But we have us a halfway one and then one all the way down here at the bottom. Again, I'm so excited about this because when it's raining outside, you know, nobody likes to get up in the morning time and go out there in the mugginess and collect water. I'll do it now, but it's gonna be nice to be able to have this already does it. Now, the question is gonna be, how long can the water stay in here? Because I don't wanna attract mosquitoes or anything like that as well. So that's gonna be the next biggest challenge. I'm guessing maybe after I collect and I get enough of it that I know it's gonna last me for at least about 2 or 3 months, I may go ahead and just bring it in the garage. That could stop the mosquitoes from coming. I don't know. You all let me know. With that being said though, thank you so much for being here. Hopefully you enjoyed my how-to tutorial on putting one of these together. I did not know where to start. The good thing that I'll reiterate is the fact that you don't need any tools. All you need is your hands and a little bit of muscle strength. It did get a little bit hard trying to push these up. But other than that, very simple. I mean, take you anywhere from maybe 10 to 15 minutes on doing it, and that's just taking your time going through it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and share. When you're growing with Sean, it's always something to learn.